Anthony's getting ready to face the top of the Phillies batting order. Leading off will be Grant Bryant, number 2. Here's young Grant Bryant stepping up to the plate. Anthony's on the mound getting ready for the first pitch. His stretch and the delivery. There's a strike. And here comes the 0-1 pitch. A little high. 1-1. Behind the plate today, umpiring is Jonathan Rodriguez, and in the field we have Brent Valencia. The 1-1. Oh! Off the noggin. Shakes it off and goes down to first base.
That's all right. We'll be on third in a minute. Take back the run. You all right, Grant? You all right?
Runner on first, nobody out.
Grant does seem to be okay. He's got a big smile.
Yeah, I think he's okay. Looks like he's getting ready to go.
There's the first pitch for a swing and a strike 1.
Liam Nessler at the plate.
Ready, Grant.
Liam goes to St. Denis, St. Columbus School, and will be going into the 6th grade next year. Here's the pitch. A little high. Oh,
Grant takes off from first, slides into second.
Safe, stolen base.
Time out, time out. Grant.
Delaware Letter gets starting on the mound. The stretch and the pitch. Little low. Gets away from the catcher. Bryant off to second base. Oh, he tries to out at second base. Bryant scores.
But they do get the first run of the game in for the Phillies here. So the score is now Pirates 3, Phillies 1.
Lucas Rodriguez steps up to the plate. Swings at the first pitch. Fouls it back. 0-1. This is Lucas's second year in baseball, and he'll be entering the 6th grade in the fall. And the thing he likes most about baseball is hitting home runs. I'd say that's a pretty cool thing, right?
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Little low. 1-1.
Get a couple of home runs through the course of the season, and the season will be a success.
Del Arletta works quickly on the mound. The stretch and the delivery. There's a chopper down to third. Bobbled, collects himself, no play. Rodriguez reaches first.
Hard ground ball. I think we'll give Lucas a hit on that one. Now the first pitch is high for a ball, and now batting is the cleanup batter, number 9, Nick Petno.
Nice swing, cut and fouled off. During the week, Nick participates in Subakdo Karate 3 days a week. A little low. So I guess we know not to mess with Nick, don't we, Steve?
That's right.
Lucas makes it down to second base safely. 1 out, man on second. Daryl Arletta deals. A little low. Three and one out. Works the count full. There's a third strike. Nice pitch by Mr. Del Arletta. 2 out, runner on second. 3-1 in the bottom of the first. The stretch and the pitch. Swing and a miss, strike one. Who's up? Anthony K's is up at the plate.
Number 11.
Good swing. Down in the hole, 0-2. Anthony loves hitting the ball and running the bases. A little low. Oh, down to third goes Lucas. He is safe.
Slides in
Stolen
under
base.
the tag. It was close play, but he got in there.
Del Arletta sets and deals. Low. Runner on third with 2 out. 2 balls, 2 strikes. Called third strike. So at the end of 1 full inning of play, 3-1 Pirates. Summer camp registration this Saturday, May 30th from 9 to 11 at the East Fishkill Community Center. And you can still sign up any day in rec office for our 2 co-ed summer basketball camps, July 6th through the 10th and July 20th to the 24th. What else do we got going on around town, Steve?
Well, we got a fishing camp at the end of July, or the middle of July, actually, the 13th to the 17th. And we also have an introduction to Italian, so if you ever wanted to learn another language, Italian is a great language to learn. So
is it true you get a bowl of pasta and a cannoli with that when you go to class?
Absolutely.
Then sign me up.
Absolutely. You got to have the cannolis. And also, don't forget our free summer concerts, Friday nights, all summer long. Every Friday through August 7th. All right, as we approach the top of the second inning here, we got a nice crowd out there. Parents and family and friends all coming out to watch a game here.
And hopefully the weather will hold up, because it doesn't sound too good right now.
There's a little rumbling in the background, but we'll go a little deaf here for a couple minutes.
Grant Bryan is still on the mound, going into his second inning.
Deep breath, Grant. You can do it. Come on. Yeah.
What do you have? 7-12-11. Okay, got it. Danny Chamorro to lead off the top of the second inning. Grant Bryant back on the mound, on the hill, 3-1. And the first pitch. Oh, little inside. Ball 1. Danny goes to Van Wyck Junior High. And he'll be going into the 7th grade next year. The 1-0. Little low. 2 balls, no strikes. Playing him straight away. The pitch. There's a strike. 1-2. Bryant works quickly on the mound. The set and the pitch. There's 2. Strike 2. 2 balls, 2 strikes.
Now I think he's zeroed in on the plate. Those last 2 fastballs were right down the middle.
And the pitch. Little outside. Full count.
Take a deep breath. Tell him to take a deep breath, Grant. Come on, get this. Deep breath.
Full count. No out, nobody on. And the pitch. Oh, hit him. Hit by a pitch. Good job. Never rub it, Danny. Up next is Jeremy Lugo. What Jeremy likes the most about baseball is watching the Yankees play. That's just a sign of good parenting right there.
Timeout here for a second while the umpires get together and discuss something. Not sure what's up here.
Probably the weather.
All right, they are temporarily delaying the game due to the weather.
I don't know what's going on. It's coming though. Yeah, it's probably all dark, right?